Good morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Justin Horn with the Lake Edge Morning Forecast. Some great weather today. The clouds have cleared out. We're going to get a lot of sun, 68 degrees, and the weekend looks great too. Some chilly mornings, but great afternoons. 67 Saturday, 65 on Sunday. And as we go forward in time, we got to look at Monday. Monday is the big day because we get a strong storm system moving in. We could see a couple of storms Monday morning, even a couple strong storms before dry air moves in, and then it turns very windy. We'll get some cooler air working in on Tuesday morning as well. We could see gusts close to 40, maybe even 50 miles per hour Monday night into Tuesday morning, and it will be widespread here around South Texas. So beware. Some gusty winds again Tuesday morning. In the meantime, great weather. 70 on Monday. There's that 30% chance of rain. And then 63 Wednesday after starting off close to freezing here in San Antonio.